Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the system so changes are reversible. First, confirm cables, power, and the monitor input. This prevents false troubleshooting later. Once done, note your current resolution, scaling, and refresh rate, or take a quick screenshot so you can revert. Now open Display Settings. On Windows, go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Display. On macOS, open System Settings, right arrow Displays. These steps get you directly to Controls, where you'll make the reset and avoid guesswork. You'll now perform the core changes. Set the recommended resolution and refresh rate first, then click Apply and confirm the preview so the monitor stays stable. Next, adjust scaling to a comfortable %. Avoid extreme custom scaling unless necessary because it can blur UI elements. Then run color calibration or select the correct color profile such as sRGB or display P3 so colors are accurate. Make sure to test multiple apps and full screen video so you see real-world behavior. Finish by saving any custom display profile or exporting calibration so you can restore it later. Then restart the computer to lock drivers and settings in place. Make sure to test after reboot and inspect multiple windows and full screen content. If everything looks correct, you're done. If something goes wrong, the quickest tip is to revert within the confirmation dialog or boot into safe mode to undo or reinstall the display driver. This prevents permanent misconfiguration and gets you back to a stable state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.